On 5th August, India illegally and unilaterally sought to change the status of the occupied territories.
मैं कश्मीर का एम्बेसडर बनूंगा। दुनिया में मैं कश्मीर का जो हालात हैं, जो पैगाम है, जो सिचुएशन है, वो मैं दुनिया में लेके जाऊंगा।
Mr. Narendra Modi is a life member of RSS. RSS was an organization that was inspired by Adolf Hitler and Mussolini, came about in 1925. This RSS believed in the ethnic cleansing of Muslims from India. 100,000 Kashmiris have died in the past 30 years because they were denied the right given by the United Nations, the right for self-determination.
A BBC investigation has uncovered allegations of brutal beatings and torture by soldiers in Indian-administered Kashmir.
I am deeply concerned about the impact of recent actions by the government of India on the human rights of Kashmiris.
We have been expressing very clearly absolute need for human rights to be fully respected in Kashmir.
There have been several allegations of excessive use of force, including use of pellet-firing shotguns, tear gas and rubber bullets by security forces.
Turkey will continue to call for justice, peace and dialogue on the Kashmir issue.
I've come here to tell the UN, you've got to, this is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination. They are suffering because of that. And this is the time not to appease like in 1939 appeasement took place. This is the time to take action.